Okay, we have all the babies together in one pen this morning for social time. At night they go with, the pens get separated again and they go back with their moms. There. She's so tiny. This little Kayla. Okay, my zoomer inner is taking its sweet time here. And with her is her sister. The black and white one there, she is still for sale. This one here. And this one, the other black and white one, he's the boy in JoJo's litter. And I haven't put him up for sale. There's Julia. Let me zoom out again. I'm hoping to keep this little chocolate girl. We'll see what she does. Where's April? Oh, April's over here chasing one of the little ones around. There's April. She's the oldest, but she plays well with these younger puppies. Hey, honey. I know, they see me in here. Just want to come up to the... Oh, wrong way. Gosh. Gotta get this Zoom thing figured out. Hi. Hi. Good morning. There's April. And Julia. Oh, you gonna give us what for, huh? Yeah, so there they all are. There she comes. Hi, baby.